Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open upper bar, and here you can find screen record. So by holding your finger on it, nothing happens. By tapping on it once, it asks you if you want to start recording. You can also set up some settings. Here you can select audio source, you can record device, audio, microphone, or both. And you can also show touch gestures on screen. So to start recording, just tap start, and after the countdown our recording starts, so we can record something, maybe some settings. So when you're done recording, just go to the upper bar and tap here stop. And after that your recording will be saved to the photos, to the album movies. And here is our recording. Maybe some settings. So when you're done recording, just go to the upper bar and tap here stop our recording. So from here you can share, edit or delete your recording, which I'm going to do. Yes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.